The Umkhonto weSizwe Party continues to chip away at the African National Congress's local government dominance, securing a key by-election victory in the Western Cape, while the ANC held on to two other wards in Gauteng and Northern Cape. The municipal by-elections took place on Wednesday across the country, following the deaths of the incumbent ANC councillors in recent months. In a significant breakthrough, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party claimed victory in Ward 1 of Saldanha Bay in the Western Cape. Mzwandile Biko emerged victorious with 36.33% of the vote, defeating the ANC's Siyabulela Mafuneka by a 10% margin. The Patriotic Alliance and Economic Freedom Fighters followed with 19% and 14% of the vote, respectively. Meanwhile, the Democratic Alliance and Good Party made a little impact, collectively securing less than 3%, a mere 93 votes. The ward, which covers the Middle Pause area, saw approximately 3,300 residents turn out to vote. Despite losing ground in the Western Cape, the ANC successfully defended its positions in the Northern Cape's Joe Morolong municipality and Johannesburg's Ward 59. In Joe Morolong, located near the Botswana border, ANC candidate Paco Matthews Baraki retained Ward 1 with 54% of the vote. The EFF's Chiamo Segeto ran a strong campaign, securing 40%, while the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's Otsepeng Smoke trailed behind with 6%. Election analyst Wayne Sussman noted the EFF performed well in certain districts, stating EFF retained the Perth voting district and also picked up the Gome voting district to win half of the voting districts. Henning Flay was a key to the ANC win. Meanwhile, in central Johannesburg, the ANC's Thembiso Hlatshwayo won Ward 59 with a decisive victory, securing 1,067 votes, more than double the tally of his nearest rival. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party came in second with 402 votes, while the EFF finished third with 312 votes. Ward 59 is one of the Johannesburg's smallest wards, spanning 13 blocks between Park Station and Joburg Park. The results highlight shifting political dynamics ahead of the national elections, with the Umkhonto weSizwe Party making inroads in some regions, while the ANC remains resilient in its strongholds, with opposition parties like the EFF and Patriotic Alliance also vying for influence. The road to 2024 promises to be a fiercely contested political battleground. Meanwhile, Duduzile, a member of parliament for the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, remains steadfast in her fight to have terrorism charges against her withdrawn. Appearing before the KwaZulu-Natal High Court in Durban on Thursday, Zuma Sampula faced her first hearing since her case was escalated from Durban Magistrates Court. The charges stem from allegations that she used social media to incite violence during the July 2021 unrest, following the arrest of her father, former President Jacob Zuma. The widespread riots and looting that ensued left 354 people dead and caused an estimated 50 billion rand in damages across KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng. Zuma Sampula, who voluntarily surrendered to authorities on January 30, was released on warning. She faces charges under the Protection of Constitutional Democracy Against Terrorist and Related Activities Act, as well as incitement to commit violence. In an effort to avoid prosecution, she filed representations with the KwaZulu-Natal Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, Ilan Zungu, requesting that the charges be dropped. However, Zungu denied her request. Her legal team, led by Advocate Dalimpofu, has now escalated the matter to National Director of Public Prosecutions and DPP, Shamila Batoyi, seeking a review of the decision. Dalimpofu told the court that we will wait the NDPP's response and determine our next steps accordingly. The application to Batoyi's office is expected to be considered next month. Following the court proceedings, National Prosecuting Authority (NPA) spokesperson Mthunzi Mhaka confirmed that Zuma Sampula's defense had not yet formally submitted their request to Batoyi, and said once they do, the NDPP will have to review the matter in consultation with the DPP. Asked whether Batoyi was likely to overturn Sampula's decision, Mhaka noted that she would make an independent assessment based on the evidence presented, and said she will take into account submissions from both the defense and the prosecution before reaching a decision, adding that any challenge to Batoyi's ruling could have to be pursued through a judicial review. Meanwhile, the state has signaled its readiness to proceed with the trial. Mhaka said, "Our investigations are complete and we have disclosed the police docket to the defense. The only outstanding issue is the matter of representations. The case has been postponed to August 14 for pre-trial proceedings. With the trial expected to begin in November, Mhaka expressed hope that no further legal challenges will delay the process. We want this matter to proceed to finality without unnecessary hindrances. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.